Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller and I also enjoy doing pop-up shops. Here I am prepping for the pre-Viva Las Vegas Crash the Party barbecue, and I know I'm running a little late. I promised this video last week, but I don't know what it was. If it was just seasonal allergies, but everything got to me last week and I was super sick. So by the time you're seeing this video, Viva has already passed by and everyone's going back home. So I just want to wish everyone safe travels and show you a sneak peek of me getting ready for this pop-up shop. I hope you enjoy this footage and stay tuned to the end of the video for a summary and what's to come from my channel. Apologize for getting this video out late. I know I promised it a week ago, but again, I don't know what it was. I was just out of it last week. Video is up today and it's officially Viva just ended, living vicariously through Instagram and people's lives, and I really missed it. I'm so excited to go next year. I'm already planning my outfits, but I hope everyone had fun and gets home safe. So if you're watching this video, again, this is the pre-Viva Las Vegas Crash the Party sale. I like going over my numbers. It's kind of like a form of record keeping for me, and hopefully show other people that are trying to start not necessarily a vintage business, but like selling plants, selling stickers, selling whatever it is. You know, times are tough right now, and I feel like everybody needs a side hustle of some sort. So just something to inspire you to get out there and try secondary source of income. follow my videos and my Instagram, you know that I've had like this little season of vending. I did a sale in February, one in March, and one in April. And by far, this was my most successful sale. I really feel like I've improved my eye and the items that I pick up. And, you know, just from last year to this year, I saw a great improvement in my sales. So for 2022, my total sales at the Crash the Party sale was $2,670. I'm so excited with that number, but I do want to share that I have a higher cost of goods this time. I did spend around $700 on a wholesale purchase that I did directly from a dealer. This year, I really networked a lot with other vintage sellers from across the country. I found somebody in Vegas that, you know, became a good source for me, who doesn't sell women's vintage but came across some great vintage, and, you know, we connected and we made a sale. So from that, I got a good lot of clothes. I got another lot from me just sourcing all over Southern California. I went to Texas, I went to Oklahoma, got a little bit out there, and then I found another dealer whom I did a wholesale purchase from. So altogether, that's where all of my inventory came from. And again, this was brand new inventory. It was not items that I had last year. I mean, there was like a couple, like a handful of items that I had in my inventory, but I would say 98% of the rack that I brought to the Crash the Party sale was brand new, never seen before. And not to say the clothing that I had at Crash the Party was better than what I had at Bop and Shop. It was just a different crowd, because at Bop and Shop I brought a lot more hard goods. I also had great vintage and I sold a lot of killer pieces there, but it was more of like everyday outfits, like more casual, whereas this was specifically a pre-Viva Las Vegas sale, so I brought that type of clothing to this sale. So I had $700 in altogether for my cost of goods, and I also did spend some money here and there. I spent $20 on a mirror that I purchased for my booth, which really came in handy. I also spent $30 on a portable dressing room, which I didn't even set up, but I'm going to keep it for other sales. I spent another $30 on shopping bags, and those came in handy because they were the wider size bags, so I needed those. So that was a good investment. My voice is still a little raspy, but Bud and Melissa didn't charge us a single dime for vending. They're so generous in inviting so many vendors to join in their event. All Bud and Melissa asked of us was to bring some ice and bring a case of waters for the event. So I think that was like $16 that I spent. So we're gonna round it up to 20, and altogether my cost of goods for the sale was $800. So if I subtract my cost of goods from my total sales, still brings my profit into $1,870, which I'm very happy with. Again, if you know me personally, you know that all of the money that I make from these sales, even from my online sales, is going to our house fund. It's rough buying a house right now. I feel like we're in savings mode. That's why we skipped out on Viva this year, just to save a little extra more for our down payment. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and shopping with me. It was such a fun event. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and all your sweet comments. I'm so bad with names, but I remember every single one of them. I feel so special and happy to know that, you know, people are actually watching. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm just this weirdo that talks to myself, but it was really nice to hear you guys say that you guys enjoy my videos and you enjoy watching them. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more vintage hauls. I think I'm going to take a break from doing pop-up shop, focus more on listing more vintage online. I'm not sure if I want to explore selling on my feed or doing live sales. Live sales make me nervous, but I do enjoy watching them. So I might work up my nerves and do a live sale or just list on my feed. I know there's an Etsy strike happening right now, and I don't have anything listed on Etsy. And I don't know if I'll start relisting on Etsy. It's just so weird right now. But I'm still listing on Poshmark. I sell like t-shirts and things like that. A lot of repro items I sell on Poshmark, but stay tuned. I also will do more like travel thrift videos. I am going to Texas next week, so stay tuned for a Texas video. And yeah, I'll try my best to have a new video up at least every Wednesday. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.